Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this day, I'm going to teach you guys a tutorial how to make coding for avoiding object. Now, let's start. Wait. First, you guys go to new project, writing avoiding object, but for making simple, just writing one. Okay, we already go here, and in here there is this, but we need to take some link for taking the link for the code. Wait, I search first. Uh, wait, wait. This. Okay, I already found this the link. You guys click this one. After that, you guys see this the link. You guys can see the link. You guys need to write it. Okay, if already, you guys search and take this one. Later you guys going to get TinyBit and this one. After that you guys need to go here. Wait, go to basic. Yeah, take just this for opening and this for the code. We need to in here take distance, writing distance. Okay, already distance. After that you guys set distance to this. There's two. You guys go to TinyBit, take ultrasonic return. If ready, you guys go to logic, take if then. After that, you guys take this one. Yes, take this one. After that, you guys go to variable again, take distance. This become up to you guys. 15. Okay, if already 15, I going to take go to TinyBit, take control speed. This going to be 100. This not run but left and go to basic. Pause 100 millisecond. In here, Control C, Control V, copy paste. Yes, same. This going to be right, like that. Just right and left. You guys can see right. Just right and left. After that, you guys go to TinyBit again. Take control speed again. This run. The speed I going to use 110 or not 111, 111. Yeah, I think just like that. Do you guys? And making it more good, you guys go to basic, take forever, go to basic again, take show icon. You guys can see so many icon. Up to you guys want to pick what. I just pick this. If already, you guys go to wait, go to logic, take this one. This change to be orange. Up to you guys want what the color, and take RGB. Like this. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Put it again. Put this. So you guys want to pick what? I blue. This going to be purple. After that, this 1 second. Yeah, like this. After that, take this again. Okay, this green. Yeah, just like this. You guys want to make what? Oh yeah, there is this for making their sound. like this. Oh, like this. Like this. I put it the sound like this, and you guys can see in here there is many. Yeah, okay guys. Yeah, this the code. Yeah, already done. And the opening I make myself. Wait, I want to make smile face. Smiley face. Okay, alright. The code ready for me. You guys can see. You guys can do it in this tiny bit. Microsoft tiny bit. Yeah, I think just for me today. Sorry if I have mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.